morning, everybody. Nancy here with BB and Charlie from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Got a China mail yesterday. So let's see what we got. It feels like a small one. Is it Wish? I don't know. Don't know. We shall see. I've been plugging away at my Pink Lily Custom. It's making a little bit of headway. Thanks for shopping with us. I think this is that same company as the other one. They sent me a little card. Doesn't have the store name on it. I don't think they're allowed to do that. I might be wrong. Got to be very careful not to cut the canvas. I only cut the plastic off. Charlie and BB are watching me today. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have a problem with this one because I only buy full drill now, and I know this said full drill, but when you look at it, it's a partial. And I don't blame them. It's translation is just so tough between Chinese and English. I almost said American. It's pretty though. It's got a pink rose behind it, and it's like a dark pink butterfly. There's only 8 colors, no DMC numbers. I don't bother matching them up. It just seems like work to me, to a DMC chart to try to keep them. I have like a glass hurricane lantern, has a base to it, and I just pour them all in there because I think eventually when it gets full, it's going to be kind of like sand art. I hope. Okay, 8. Oh, they come in these little baggies, which is nice. 8, 7, 6, 5. Ooh, look at that pink. Pretty. 4, getting into the reds. 3, this is like a crimson. 2 and 1. So, all the colors are here. Got a little toolkit, your standard stuff, green boat, pink wax, pink pen. And that would be a nice little kit to do at the beach or on a trip or something. Not like I go to the beach anymore. But, you know, a nice little easy one with not too many parts. And, that's it. Nice, simple one. You have a great day. And talk to you soon. More unboxings coming.